What's good, YouTube? We are back again with another sneaker review, aka Kyrie review. Won't be a lot of these left, being everything going on, but I was happy enough to get these. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, the box is the same. Kyrie Infinity Nationals. Yes, indeed. This is a Kyrie I'm very happy to have my hands on because I'm usually not able to get my hands on the EYBLs. It has Nike Nationals 2022. This colorway is ridiculous. If you don't know what the EYBL is, the Nike Elite Youth Basketball League, also known as the EYBL, is a basketball circuit for teams and players aged 17 and under. The circuit was founded in 2010 and is composed of AAU teams, and they always come out with special colorways of the signature athlete sneakers like the KDs, the Kyries, and sometimes even LeBrons. And of course, by now, you know this Kyrie Infinity is a shoe that provides tight custom fit, lace feed through the dynamic internal bands that poke through the upper, as you guys see here. Tightening the laces pull down on the bands, which create a super snug comfort fit, almost like a strap but without a strap. That's one thing I really like about the Infinities. The lockdown system is definitely top tier. There's a lot of videos on YouTube. One thing about these Infinities that was so iffy for people was this tongue, man. But the plush padded collar and tongue really gives you a great cushioning and support around your ankles. Definitely a shoe you would want to try out and hoop in if you're somebody who likes comfort and cushioning around your Achilles and ankle. And also have the translucent micro-engineered upper material for lightweight and breathable, so you definitely don't sweat a lot in this shoe. It doesn't retain the heat like some other Nike basketball shoes might, like the Zoom Freak 4. Truly one of his best signature shoes. Just unfortunate it's coming to an end. Grippy rubber outsole, which wraps up to the size as you guys see here, which is something that you gotta like with the Kyries. It definitely gives you more control when you're moving, you know, around on the court if you're a real herky-jerky type player. That's one thing that's really fire about the Kyrie Infinities. So many things to love about this shoe. Personally, this colorway gives me a lot of vibes. Some people say Joker, some people say like Nerf. I don't know, I just like the colorway. I think it's a very vibrant, and it definitely fits what they do with Kyries and Kyrie Infinities alone. Let me know what you guys feel about this shoe. The speckled midsole is crazy. I'm a big fan of the color combination, as I said before, and you know I like to do lace swapping options. I mean, the white laces go great, but I think I might have some purple laces that might go just good in here. I'm not sure. We will probably test it out with the lace swap as well as the on feet. Traction is the same thing. Nothing's different about the way the shoe is made. Only thing's different is this immaculate colorway. You have the specs on the Nike swoosh as well, with that purple to match the purple outsole. Then on the back is something I think is really dope about these, with like this, I forgot the material, but the colorway is just really fire on the back panels. Definitely different. I'm glad to grab these. Like I said, EYBL Kyries is one of them shoes that's really hard to get. You only get these shoes if you play in the EYBL or close to the EYBL. And I'm not, and I don't know anybody there. So like I said, definitely happy to grab these and add these to my collection. Probably the last Kyrie Infinity I'm going to add. I mean, I might be actually lying if I'm able to find some of these other ones for great prices. Like recently, I just found this dagger for 69 bucks. I really do like this colorway too. One of the more simple but dope colorways out there for the Kyrie Infinity. I was fortunate enough to find that one for 69 bucks, as well as this Keeps Too Fresh colorway. So I picked up two shoes, and one of them was a size 12, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this one away, the Keeps Too Fresh. If somebody out there wants this, all we gotta do is get this video to 500 likes within 7 days of this video dropping. Leave a comment so I can select somebody, and good luck to everybody. But make sure you hit the like button, share the video. Let's go, 500 likes. Which is really nice too. Let me know of the colorways out there which one you guys like the most. Obviously, there's a bunch of Kyrie Infinities that dropped this year. I actually have a video speaking on every other colorway that dropped except for this one. Very happy to have them if I'm able to find another one for a cheaper price than what they're going for, because they're going for upwards of 300 or more, especially in my size. I definitely would try to grab one for the low, but I'm definitely happy to have this one in that magical size of 12.5. You usually can't find that. But yeah, I just want to talk about the colorway. The materials are definitely nice on this shoe. Of course, casual wear, but I'm going to hold these for a minute before I decide to pop them out, maybe more in the spring or summertime when it's not raining as much like it is in California. Let me know what you guys think about these overall. This video is going to be a little bit shorter than other ones because, you know, we talked about the Kyrie Infinity, just not this EYBL. I'm very happy to have this colorway. Very happy to grab it for it still. There will be some on feet and B-roll, but the shoe itself is fire, but the colorway is one of a kind. And then, you know, of course we talked about the traction. And now that things are coming to a close as far as no more Kyrie Infinities being made or colorways coming out of all the Kyrie Infinities that have dropped, once again, I have a video breaking them all down. Which one is your favorite Kyrie, or maybe comment your top 5 Kyrie Infinities that dropped. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Make sure you guys hit that like button. I'm out of here. Deuces.